The world transforms after sunset. I'm often drawn into my garden at night, when the air is cool and still, and a hush settles over everything. Under a nearly full moon, familiar plants become mysterious, bathed in silvery light. The path to the greenhouse glows, leading into the shadows. Night gardening is magical, connecting with your garden in a way daylight never allows. You notice new sounds, a hedgehog rustling, a moth fluttering, a dewdrop falling. Night-blooming flowers release intoxicating scents, like honeysuckle hanging sweet in the air. It's not about chores, but about awakening your senses. Midnight gardening means gentle tasks, deadheading blooms, watering pots, moving slowly and deliberately. The garden becomes a private sanctuary, transformed by shadow and moonlight. White and silver-leafed plants glow, floating above the darkness. It's a painterly scene, and you're at its heart. This is what I cherish most. A quiet conversation between you, your plants, and the starry sky. The night garden is a world of wonder, waiting for you to step inside. Night gardening is a relief from the day's heat, cool, comfortable, and refreshing. The world's noise fades, replaced by peace and the gentle rhythm of watering or weeding. It's a meditative time to reconnect with yourself and nature. Night reveals new characters. Evening primrose unfurls, moonflowers open, and moths flutter where butterflies once danced. The hoot of an owl or a bat's swoop adds wildness to your cultivated space. Watering at night is more effective. Less evaporation, deeper roots, healthier plants. It's a simple, sustainable switch. Night gardening isn't just practical, it's transformative. You use less water, help your plants thrive, and find a new kind of joy. The garden at night is a place of calm, discovery, and renewal. Try it, and you'll see your garden in a whole new light. Start your night gardening with gentle, strategic lighting. Solar stake lights and a head torch are perfect. Keep paths clear and tools put away for safety. Focus on quiet tasks, potting seedlings, gentle weeding, deadheading, and watering. Save heavy work for daylight. Design a moon garden with white or silver plants. Artemisia, white foxgloves, lamium, and fragrant night-scented stock. These plants glow and release scent after dark, creating a multi-sensory experience. Take your time. The goal isn't speed, but enjoyment. Place a comfortable chair near a fragrant plant, do a little pottering, then sit and soak in the night. Listen to the sounds, watch the moon, and let the garden's magic unfold. Night gardening is about peace, observation, and ritual. It's a special time set aside just for you and your garden. With a few simple preparations, you can safely enjoy the beauty of the night. Let the garden reveal its secrets under the stars. Gardening by the moon is an ancient tradition rooted in the belief that lunar phases affect plant growth. Sowing and planting by the waxing moon, harvesting by the waning, these rituals connect us to generations of gardeners. Plants like moonflower and lunaria carry stories in their names, linking us to folklore and history. Night gardening makes you part of this tradition, sharing wonder with those who've gazed at the same moon. Sometimes midnight gardening raises eyebrows, but it can spark conversations and build community. In cities, it inspires guerrilla gardening, secretly planting beauty in neglected spaces. Night is also when garden dramas unfold. Slugs and snails emerge, and a torchlit patrol is the best way to protect your plants. It's targeted, chemical-free pest control. You become the quiet guardian of your garden, watching over it while the world sleeps. The night garden is alive with stories, mysteries, and your own gentle stewardship. Embrace the magic and become part of its legacy. The night garden is peaceful, but be prepared. Wear long sleeves, use natural repellent, and carry a phone for safety. Choose plants for fragrance and drama. Night-scented stock, flowering tobacco, moonflower, evening primrose, angel's trumpets, white foxgloves, and silvery foliage like lamb's ears. Let someone know you're outside and use a head torch to see and stay safe. These simple steps ensure your midnight gardening is joyful and relaxing. Don't see sunset as the end. Let it be the start of a new gardening adventure. On the next clear night, take a torch and a cup of tea and step outside. You don't have to do anything. Just walk, look, and listen. Notice how the familiar becomes mysterious, how scents and sounds shift. Discover your garden's secret life after dark. It's an enchanting world, waiting to change the way you see your garden forever. See you next time, here at the Wormy Garden.